Hello everyone, my name is John Thiessen and I'm the president of Orlando, Florida's newest music school, El Camino School of Music, Repair, and Technology. And I'd love to take you on a tour of our facility. Come with me. This room here is our lecture hall. This is where we'll have meetups with the famous musicians. We'll do lectures, gallery openings like what we have right here, showcasing local artists from Central Florida and the surrounding areas. Here are our music lesson facilities. We have 2 music lesson rooms. You can learn everything from vocals to stringed instruments, music theory, and beyond. This is our music therapy room, where we have a board-certified music therapist on staff to help everyone from special needs children, veterans with PTSD, adults with depression. This is where the healing can happen. Now I'm going to depart for a second and get a piece of cold pizza, and I'll catch back up with you. If you come this way, we'll show you our gift shop. Here is our boutique gift shop at the El Camino School. We have everything that you would need to become a touring guitar tech and take the courses that we offer. Also, we have supplemental materials for your music lessons, and we showcase products from local luthiers and artisans around the community. If you want an El Camino shirt, I know a guy. Now in here, this is where the bees are busy at work. Oh, there you are. We have a very comfortable lounge with everything from video games to a vending machine and a TV, so you can watch rock documentaries and play on your phone without any interventions. As well as getting your sugar high with our gumball rally. Now, if you peek through here, this is really the backbone of what we're trying to do to make us different and differentiate El Camino School with the rest of the music schools in the country. This is our trade room. Everybody that comes to El Camino School gets their own adjustable height workbench, a set of tools, pull-down power, and everything they need to learn how to build a guitar, build an amplifier, repair, diagnose, and keep their hands working on their trade. And I did say El Camino School was also a trade school. What we're doing is we're training the next generation of touring guitar techs. We're having a dream of a career that they can have in the music industry beyond just being a front man or a guitar player. They get to be the backbone of the music industry and keep their musicians in tune and in time. Thank you guys so much for joining us on this SIGT Magazine exclusive tour of El Camino School. We're proud of what we have to offer, and we invite you to go to our website at elcaminoschool.com to find out more about our programs and to sign up for our classes, events, seminars, and much, much more. This is only the first step, and we hope to see you real soon.